In a previous class, we derived binding energy of the nucleus by using liquid drop model. If you do some correction to this binding energy, we get very accurate value as compared to the experimental value. So, correction to binding energy formula. So, in this correction, we have two energy terms. In that, first term is energy, asymmetric energy. This asymmetric energy is depend on whether a nucleus has equal number of protons and neutrons. If a nucleus has equal number of protons and neutrons, then that has more stability. That means Z equal to A minus Z. Here Z is a number of protons, A minus Z is a number of neutrons. From that we can write A minus A equal to 2Z. If a nucleus don't have equal number of protons and neutrons, then binding energy of the nucleus decreases. Okay, so that decreasement in the binding energy is called asymmetric energy. And we write that asymmetric energy has EA. Okay, EA proportional to A minus 2Z whole square by A. This value is given based on experimental value. Okay, from above expression we can write EA equal to minus A4 A minus 2Z whole square by A. Here A4 is a constant. Okay, that means if A is very large, that means atomic mass number is large, then asymmetric energy is less. Our next term is pairing energy. This pairing energy has an expression EP proportional to A power minus 3 by 4. This expression is given purely based on experimentally. Okay, and this pairing energy depends on whether a nucleus has even number of protons and neutrons, or even odd even number of protons and neutrons, or odd protons and neutrons. If a nucleus has even protons and neutrons, then that pairing energy is positive. If a nucleus has even odd protons and neutrons, or odd even protons and neutrons, then pairing energy is 0. If a nucleus has odd protons and neutrons, then that pairing energy is negative. From above expression we can write pairing energy EP equal to plus or minus comma 0 into A5 A power minus 3 by 4. Okay, now total binding energy EB equal to EV plus ES plus EC plus EA plus EP. Okay, in these 5 terms, first 3 terms are derived terms by using liquid drop model. These last two terms are purely experimental values. Okay, so this binding energy has very accurate value as compared to experimental value. So in this way we derive we can derive binding energy of a nucleus.